Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Once again, you'll probably never draw something like this, but the lines are transparent. So anything you put behind them will show through. If we use the interactive fill tool just to kind of give it a little bit of flair, it'll change the lines. Anyway, pretty easy to draw, just a couple of things to think about. You could probably use the table tool, but I'm just going to use a 2-point line. I'm going to make it 18 inches, and I am going to put my nudge factor on 1 inch, and I'm going to control D and move it over to almost a square. It doesn't really have to be perfect. Then I'm going to select all these, and I'm going to control D, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I happen to hit it perfect. So I'm going to make the lines a little bit thicker, so I'm going to go like 1.25. And here's what you've got to do now. You've got to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. Anyway, now we got to go to Object and group them together. I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. And I'm going to get my twirl tool, which is underneath your shape tool. And I'm going to go about right in the middle, and I'm going to give it a little bit of twist. Now I'm going to draw another ellipse, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. But I'm going to go ahead and color it in, and I'm going to take away the outline. It has to be in the back. So I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back of Page, so you can see through it. Now I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to go right here, front minus back. Whoop. So I put it in the back, so I'm going to go back minus front. And I get that right there. And then we can make it black, Object, Order, Back of Page, and you can see through the lines. Now, one thing I did not do, I did not interactive fill tool my new item, so I'm going to do that right now. Let's put red there. Let's change it up a little bit. Put another yellow, put a burnt orange, and we'll call that good. But the lines are still transparent, so you can see through it. Anyway, kind of a cool idea. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.